Visually, the Avata 360 appears larger than the DJI Avata 2, though the body itself looks slimmer. The front section is noticeably wider because of the large camera module designed for full 360-degree capture. Compared with the original DJI Avata, the difference in size becomes even more obvious, and when placed beside the DJI Neo 2, the Avata 360 clearly sits in a completely different category of drone. The most distinctive element is its rotating dual fisheye camera system. During takeoff and landing, the camera rotates to shield the lenses from damage. One of the lenses points upward while the drone touches down, preventing the glass from making direct contact with the ground. Small rubber feet underneath add another layer of protection. Once airborne, the camera rotates back into its full 360 capture orientation. Another interesting design decision is the use of removable lenses. If a lens gets scratched, users can replace it themselves instead of sending the entire drone for repair. Replacement parts are expected to cost roughly €21 per lens. Testing wasn't limited to ideal weather either. DJI reportedly allowed creators to fly the drone in snow and rain to demonstrate real-world durability. While it is not waterproof, the drone appears capable of handling typical outdoor conditions without major issues. Compatibility is another strong point. The drone works with the DJI RC2 controller and supports DJI Goggles 3, DJI Goggles N3, and the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. Anyone who already owns an RC2 can simply buy the drone-only package and start flying immediately. Leaked information suggests the drone may support 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, which would allow smoother motion and greater flexibility when reframing 360 footage. To support those large files, internal storage between 128 GB and 256 GB is expected, along with a micro SD card slot. Another major upgrade appears to be omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Unlike the Avata 2, this drone may include sensors covering all directions, supported by an integrated LiDAR unit that improves hovering accuracy and obstacle detection, especially in darker environments. Battery information from an interface leak suggests a capacity of around 38.6 watt-hours, which could translate to real-world flight times between 18 and 20 minutes. Pricing estimates place the drone-only version at about €459, while bundled kits with controllers and accessories could range up to €1,159. With its rotating camera protection, replaceable lenses, LiDAR sensing, dual shooting modes, and rumored 8K capture, the DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious FPV drones DJI has attempted. But until the official reveal arrives, the biggest details are still being kept just out of reach.